So here are some of the questions in EDI and ALE. First question is, what are some of the subsystems that you worked on in EDI? Now, we should understand what a subsystem is. Anytime an IDOC needs to be translated out, you need a subsystem. So typical examples of subsystems are Gentran, Marketer. Well, how do I know these systems? Because when we need these EDI translations, we interact with these people and we know that they have been using either a Gentran or a Marketer. But this is pretty transparent to us as a functional consultant. Meaning, you might not even know what a subsystem is that your company is using. But if you work long enough, you'll eventually get to know it in some form or the other. So it's more or less like a knowledge-based question. Do you really know what is the subsystem that you have been working with? Another popular subsystem is SAP PI. Now, this is SAP's own product and it is very popular. So once again, what is a subsystem? Whenever two systems are communicating, two independent systems. This is, say, the vendor placing an order or receiving an order from a customer. The communication both ways, right? So an order comes in, order response goes out, right? So this is a system in Chicago. This is a system in New York. Two different systems, different networks, but they are connected via this network. They belong to different companies and they need to communicate with each other. And this guy, let's say, uses SAP and this uses Oracle apps or JD Edwards or any other system. So SAP understands what an IDOC is and this system does not, because IDOC is an SAP's proprietary product. The moment an IDOC is shipped out onto the network, it has to be packaged, and that packaging is done by one of these systems, subsystems.